Okay, so basically the installation part is going on, right? So every time you have to, it will prompt you to restart the machine. Please restart your machine and log in with the same user account from which account you have initiated the installation. So now it will take up to 30 minutes, right? So what I can do in the meantime, I can upload the recordings to you guys. D drive, Zoom. Yesterday only we started, right? So so today we have recorded this. And delivery controller part 2 installation is going on, right? So that I will update after the recording. So So guys, I have uploaded the recordings on this channel, and on the same link you will get each and every recording. Okay, so where it is? Okay, so again it is prompting for restart. So let me close this. So guys, it will happen 2 or 3 times. It will ask you to restart your machine again and again, right? So please reboot the machine and log in with the same user account. Okay, again we have to log in, same user account. It will automatically resume the installation. You have nothing to do.
Mahesh, one more question here. What is
Mhm.
the prerequisite of to install of DDC, delivery controller?
Only Windows Server 2019 and Citrix ISO file and one domain user account. Like the installation part, you can complete the installation
Okay.
part with the local admin. It will work, right? But with local admin, you will not be able to launch the Citrix Studio after the installation, right? So one domain user account should be there. Like, and that
Okay.
particular user, it should be
Yeah.
part of your domain admins. Okay, standard user will not work.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay guys, so I think it is almost an hour now. So again it will take some time. As you can see, it is showing 94 minutes remaining, right? So but it will not take 94 minutes, but it will take more than 30 minutes, right? So what I will do, I'm just concluding the call. I will finish that installation, and from tomorrow we will continue on the configuration part, right? So because in the installation we can't do anything, we just have to wait and we have to reboot the machine again and again whenever it will prompt. So that is the kind of basic funda that we have to follow. And after the installation, you will get multiple things like SQL Server is installed. Then you will get one more folder by name Citrix. In that folder, you will get Citrix Studio, license server, and director. Those kind of options you will see after the installation. Okay, guys. Any doubt? Anyone? Guys, are you sleeping or what?
Okay,
No,
thank
Mahesh.
you. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so
But your
yeah,
your
Bye.
voice
it's
is
Bye.
not audible properly.
my voice, guys. Am I
Yes, yes,
audible?
Mahesh.
Am I audible?
It's somewhere better now.
Okay. So what I'm doing as installation part, it will take some time now. So I'm just terminating the call and we will connect tomorrow with the configuration part. So in this session, we only completed the installation part only, no configuration done so far. Okay. From tomorrow, we will configure our first Citrix site. Okay. Guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.